Haters and they coming in, they gonna love my diamonds dance. I'm with my twin, I'm trying to get some help, but don't know how. I gotta go, I'm on my own, I'm pouring foes. I gotta go, I'm at it still. I get this spot, I'm about to crack this seal. I post some more, won't overdose. I'm blowing ghosts like every day. I'm on my own, I'm put it on my soul. It's not nothing I can't control.
What it do, YouTube? Cozy Crew back with another one. Bro, I know y'all seen literally like just now we got a new intro. I know y'all seen in the last video we got a new intro. How y'all feeling about it? Let me know. I know on TikTok motherfuckers telling me to keep going. I ain't gonna lie. We gonna have something definitely new coming through soon. But yeah, let me know how y'all feel about that. Let me know if I should keep going with that. But as of right now, we about to go wash the car. See Jada right here. We're gonna go wash the car. Then later on today we got a car meet to go to. My buddy Blaine, he has a Hellcat. He has some upgrades. I'm not gonna let y'all know what he got because I don't know fully what he got. I just know that he's pushing mad power. We'll definitely get a review on that. But as of right now, we on our way to go wash the car. Y'all gonna be like, it's dumb far. It's not far, bro. This is a self-service car wash, so there's not a lot of those out here no more. And the ones around here be a little sketchy. And I'm with my girl, so you feel me? Let's get it.
Shit is getting tragic. Niggas don't want smoke, they should pass it. Kick you out the lobby, in this bitch I am the admin. FM with a scope, I'm looking for a crib to dash in. FM with a scope, I'm looking for a crib to dash in. FM with a scope, I'm looking for a crib to dash in. Don't know where
I'm Damn, we got hella traffic now, bro. We just got here. Can't really see like the Alright, YouTube, we're here. Yeah, this is the 540. Soon I'm gonna do an emblem delete on it, as well as this part. Do an emblem and well, just basically an emblem delete, and then what's it called? Changed out the license plate holder. Y'all, I don't know. Cosmetic wise, I'm most likely gonna do the bumper. I'm gonna have to change out the bumper for that. But as y'all see, this shit's about dirty as hell. So y'all already know before the meet, before I pop out for real, gotta wash up, clean up, get the inside. You feel me? Do before and after. Jeez, damn, what the hell? I didn't even see that. Bro, alright. Yeah, she needs a wash. For real. Alright, bet. Bet. Probably gonna get some G-roll for this. So we basically So we finished it. It's clean, huge difference. Well, still got some spots here and there. We used, you know, here. It's not really, I'm not gonna say it's not a good one because it got a lot of the gunk off, but it's not, you know what I mean, the best. You know, it's alright though. It's gonna come off regardless. But yeah, it's just for the meat for tonight. A little tidy up. Alright, we going downtown. She wants some, I don't know, what is it? What is it? Don't be shy.
We'll see when we get there.
Alright. But yeah, we finna go get some food. Finna go chillax. I don't know what we're gonna do after, but I know like later tonight we got a meet to go to. We're gonna see her grandmother, and then after, yeah, we got a little meet to go to. EV. Damn, that shit sounded good. Let me know if I should get a mic for the exhaust. Let me know what y'all want, if y'all want that. Back in comfort we go, because we're some polite individuals sometimes. What'd you say?
No, you're not.
Bullshit.
No bullshit.
Why are you trying to expose me? Why are you trying to expose me?
Because I don't know why.
Lying to them about what? I'm a semi-dim. I'm a semi-nice person. But like, I don't know, like sometimes I get pissed off easy. I'm not gonna complain whatsoever. You feel me? At all.
I was gonna make sure that you have to eat.
The fuck are you doing? What the hell? Hello, baby. Alright, here, we just teleported. Josie? What the fuck? Bro. Oh well. That's funny. We are on our way back home, so y'all can see the new crib, bro. The new crib, yes. Yes, bro. We got a crib too. You feel me? Got the whip, and the nigga got a crib. Man, you ready for this?
Criminal offensive side eye.
They not. You think they ready for this?
Just everything feels like rub. Rub in place.
All right, but yeah, let me know what y'all want to see, bro. I don't know what all y'all want to see in these videos. All I know is I can't keep having these vids too long because my storage is gonna get taken up. But yeah. I'll just fast forward back to the crib because she don't want me to drive fast right now, and I gotta respect that. You feel me? Another person in the car. But we're about to eat. I'm about to show you the crib. Then we'll go out. I'll be back. All right, we back at the crib. Here's the reveal. Feel me? God damn it! Hold on.
Yeah, turn it on.
I have to. You know what? All right, here y'all go. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, it's dark. Dark as shit in here. Alright, gangsta. But here's the crib. You feel me? You feel me? I ain't gonna show my face. But you feel me? It's a little something, you feel me? Oh. Y'all can't see what's in there yet. It's a little, gotta handle some business in there. Yeah. What we got? That's the crib. I ain't gonna say it's something slight, cause it's not. Shit expensive for us, at least, you know. But we got something that we're at least comfortable with and that we could afford at the time. We still can. But this is our crib. This is where everything, you know what I mean, transpires. This is, yeah, it's my little area. Editing area. You feel me? Look at her. Oh my lord. But yeah, this is the crib. I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit. I have to eat and then, yeah, gotta wait for her grandmother to get off so that we can head that way, go visit her, and then afterwards we going to a meet. See y'all soon. Alright, what's up, YouTube? So some news today. I don't think Blaine got the what's it called today? They got some nice shit out today. Ooh, shit. Say that again.
Mayonnaise salads, I'm deadly allergic.
Jesus Christ.